Hello guys, now this time how to upload videos on YouTube right way. How to upload videos step by step. Now I'll show you how to put title and how to put description and how to put tag. Also how to put thumbnail. First of all, you have to go that YouTube apps, okay? Click it on. You have to upload plus here, okay? Click it on plus here. After click upload a video 2 minutes 5 seconds, okay? Click it on. Here you can see this video I will upload here. Next. After next, you have to do that. First of all, here can you see unlisted, okay? I keep it unlisted. Public don't keep like this, okay? You should keep unlisted. If you put unlisted, that means you can edit while you are uploading time your video, okay? If you keep public, you may not have enough time to edit. Therefore, you have to do click it on unlisted. The title you have to write that whatever, just write it on. After you can edit by Chrome browser. Just like leave it on like this, okay? Just upload it. Now it is uploading here, preparing, okay? After this, you have to go that Chrome browser. Chrome, click it on Chrome. Then here you have to search www.youtube.com, okay? Search. So after search, you have to click that 3 dot corner here upside, click it on and make it desktop side. So after desktop side, I'll zoom here. I'll show you your channel logo here, your photo, click it on here. Then YouTube Studio, click it on. After YouTube Studio, file manager, click it on here. Click it on. Then here can you see just now I uploaded here, right? Okay, now I'll show you how to edit this video, okay? Just click it on here. I am writing here, click it on here. Then pencil logo, click it on. After click, first of all you have to write title, okay? Title you have to write unique, okay? People search and they may find. So here my videos, this topic is how to download YouTube cover photos. So I'll write here. Here you can see how to download YouTube cover photo. So likewise you have to write. Then description, you have to write about your videos, okay? And also you can add here your Instagram link, your Facebook link, Twitter link. So you can put here, okay? If you keep before like this, so it's better, okay? Whenever you upload video, you can copy and paste from here. You can do easily, right? I'll paste in description. Then hashtag also you have to keep hashtag. For example, download cover photo. So whatever you can write, it's related videos. What video you upload is related, you have to write here. So it's done. Now for thumbnail. Already I made this video how to make thumbnail, okay? So you can check my channel and you can find. Now Pixel Lab, I will click on. Now
Academy. Let's crack it.
I'll upload here. Click it on. Here you can see download YouTube cover photos, okay? It's related how to download YouTube cover photos. So likewise you can do thumbnail also, it's done. Then you have to make, no, it's not made for kids, okay? You have to make like this and can you see show more, you have to click show more. You have to put tag here according to your video. Click it on tag. Here carefully you have to put tag. It's unique tag you have to put here. And here according to my video I will put tag. Long tag and short tag you have to put both. Also you have to mention your channel name. So after put select language also mention here. Just leave it that one. Video location if you want to put, you can put video location also. Standard YouTube license you have to keep. And main important category, if your video about education you have to put. Channel vlog also you can put vlog channel. If comedy entertainment, so according to your videos or according to your YouTube channel you can put here category, okay? So my channel is science and technology tech channel, so that's why I put science and technology. Okay, done. And last one, comment. Allow comment each as you wish. If you want to allow all comments, you can allow. Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. If you click here, all comments will be hold. Okay, if you put disable comment, they cannot comment your video. Okay, I will click allow all comments. Okay, so everything is done. Title also done, and description also done. Click it on save. All have done. Now I will check in my YouTube channel. Okay, here it is my channel, manage videos. How is, okay, here you can see how to download YouTube cover photos. No publish, okay, listed here. So before publish, you can play. No problem here. You can check it's right or not. So description also is right and everything. So you can check. Okay. So everything is right. So now just you have to keep which time you want to publish. At first you have to know that publishing time morning 7 a.m. to 9 o'clock. Within these hours you can publish your videos. Now I will publish my video. So for schedule make you have to go your YouTube channel. Okay, here you have to go your YouTube channel, and on your channel you have to go, then manage videos you have to go, and three dot here you can see here, click it on here and edit. So okay, description also okay, unlisted, all you can see here, tag also click it on unlisted, and schedule, make it schedule, and click it on this time that. Okay, you can put which date you want to upload, then time is today I want to upload 4:30 p.m. I want to upload. Okay, click it on. Now automatically itself it will be uploaded. Okay, now just save, click it on save. So this your video automatically it will be upload 4:30 p.m. Okay, according to what you make time to schedule, it will upload automatically. That's all. If not clear here, through comment you can ask, I will reply you all.